Good morning, student. We are starting chapter 5th. The topic remaining is plant fiber. There are three drugs in this topic, that is jute, cotton, and cannabis. So now we are started with the jute. Jute fibers comes from the stem and ribbon of the jute plant. The first fiber is extracted by retting. Retting process is consists of bundling jute's stem together and immersing them in slow running water. There are two types of retting, stem and ribbon. After the retting process, stripping beings, women, and children usually do this job. In the stripping process, non fibrous matter is scraped off. Jute is a rain feed crop with little need for fertilizer or pesticide. It consists generally present in Bangladesh and Dhaka. Uses it is source जो होता है किसका जूट का सोर्स jute is a long soft shiny bast fiber that can be spun into coarse strong threads. It is produced from plants in the genus Corypheus, which was once classified with the family Tiliaceae, and most of the jutes were belongs recently with Malvaceae family. The primary source of fiber is Corchorus oleiferatus, but it is considered inferior to Corchorus capillaris. Jute is one of the most affordable natural fibers and second only to cotton in the amount produced and variety of uses. Jute fibers are composed primarily of the plant material, cellulose and lignin. It falls into the bast fiber category, the phloem of the plant called as skin. Its biological source, it consists of the phloem of the stem of various species of Corypheus and its family is Liliaceae. Chemical constraint, where there are various types of chemical constraints are present in jute, but the most important chemical constraint, the fibers are yellowish brown in color and contain cellulose and lignin. Due to the presence of cellulose and lignin, it is yellow brown in color. There are chemical tests should be performed for the identification of jutes. In this test gives red color. First of all, we have to take on the jute powders, then add fluoroglycinol solutions. In a fluoroglycinol solutions, jute gives red color. Then add HCl. After that, the uses of jute should be, there are various types of jutes should be available. White jute, toast jutes. There are various types of jute which is available in the market, and also its cultivation should be done by the farmer. Then next is uses. Uses of jutes is filtering. It means that jutes are used as a filtering media. Then coarse wax, they are also utilized for the preparation of coarse wax, which is used for the taking of the sampling and toys. So there are various uses of jutes which are used in industry. These jutes are used in large numbers in industrial purpose. Now our next topic is cotton. Cotton is generally obtained from the there are absorbent. There are various synonyms of cottons. Generally absorbent, raw, surgical cotton. So these are the synonyms of cottons. Then biological source, it is obtained from the trichomes of hair seed of Gossypum barbadensis, or its family is Malvaceae. First of all, we discuss about the cotton in a general way, that cotton is the soft, fluffy staple fibers that grows in a ball or protective cases around the seed of the cotton plants of the genus Gossypum in a mallow family is Malvaceae. It means that there are two or three types of cotton which is available in the which are used in the industrial for their cultivations, but the Gossypium cotton is mainly belongs to a family of Malvaceae. Its fiber is consists of pure cellulose. Due to the presence of cellulose, it is white in color, and the plant is a shrub native to tropical and subtropical region around the world. Generally, it is grown in Egypt and India. The use of cotton for fabric is known to date to prehistoric time. Fragments of cotton fabric dated to the 5th million BC has been founded. Currently, there are four commercial grown. Generally, there are various types of cotton is also available. Then we have discussed about the types of cotton. So there are mainly four types of cotton. Species of cottons are commercially grown. All are domesticated. First one is Gossypium histrionium, uplanded cotton. Then Gossypium barbadensis, known as extra long staple cotton. Next is Gossypium herbaceum, that is called tree cotton. And last one is Gossypium herbaceum, it means that leaf cotton. There are four types of cotton which is cultivated in a field, but the only difference in four types of cotton is the presence of percentage of cellulose in its plant fiber. Then chemical constituent, there are various chemical constituent is mainly present in cottons. Raw cottons contain 90% of cellulose, 7 to 8% of 7 to 8% wax, fats, protoplasm. In purified and absorbent cotton, cellulose contain about 7 to 8% moisture. It means that those cotton which are utilized for in a surgical purpose or which are used for a absorbent, these cotton consist of 7 to 8% of moistures. Now next one is macroscopic character of cotton. The trichomes are unicellular, flattened and ribbon-like structure with slightly thickened and round apex. They are tubular and hollow. So these are the macroscopic character of cotton which are available, which are generally found by the which are generally found in its plant. Then how to we have to cultivate the cottons. Successful cultivation of cotton requires a long frost-free period, plenty of sunshine and a moderate rainfall. Soils usually need to be fairly heavy through the level of nutrients does not need to be exceptional. Production of the crop for a given area usually starts soon after harvesting the preceding autumn. Cotton is naturally a perennial, but it is grown as an annual to help control pests. So these are the general mode for which the cultivation of cotton should be done. Then genetic modifications. Cotton was developed to reduce the heavy reliance of pesticide. It means that if cotton is grown in a field, then the root which is trapped under the soil, it can reduce the heavy reliance of pesticide. The bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis. Then chemical test which is also available for the performance of cotton, whether it is cotton containing 70 to 8% moisture or not. So in this test, first of all we have to take the cotton fiber with iodine water and take a small amount of iodine water, then add few ml of concentrate sulfuric acid. It's give purplish blue color cotton. It means that it gives purple or blue color. So these color indicate that the absorbent of purified cotton is so a blue color. Now next is cotton fiber. Takes in a second test, take a plant fiber and add few drops of NaOH solution and few drop of HCl solution. Green color identify that the cotton is purely cotton, all in the form of silk. So there are two tests which is performed for the identification of cotton. Now our next drugs is cannabis. In general way it is called hibiscus. As Indian hemp, it is called as Indian hemp and ganja. In Hindi it is called ganja. Hemp is a strain of cannabis sativa plant species that is grown especially for the industrial uses of its dry product. It is one of the fast growing plants and fiber, including paper textile. Commercially, it can be refined into a variety of commercial items: paper, textiles, clothing, biodegradable plastic, and paints. Although cannabis as a drug and industrial hemp both derive from the species of Cannabis sativum, it means that the biological source of cannabis is derived from the flowering top of female plant of Cannabis sativum, and its family is Cannabiaceae. So these plants is derived from a family Cannabiaceae. Cannabis sativum and contain the psychoactive component tetrahydrocannabinol. It means that these plants contain tetrahydrocannabinol (THC). They are different strain but unique phytochemical composition and their uses. Chemical constant, if we have to see the chemical composition of cannabis, it will be shown that 15 to 20% of resin. The cannabis contain 15 to 20% of resin present in glandular trichomes, with contain the major active amphoric principle 134 trans tetrahydrocannabinol. So the psychoactive activity of cannabis is due to the presence of hydrocannabinol, and it contains volatile soil, trichonols, and choline. The resins also contain cannabinol. Hemp has concern. The legality of industrial hemp varies widely between countries. So the concentration of THC, it means that tetrahydrocannabinol should be different. If we can see the no common uh, no common Proto-Indo-European source for the uh, form of the word Greek, the oldest attached from which we may be borrowed from earlier. So cognates of hemp in other Germanic languages include Dutch hemp. In other form, it is also called a Dutch hemp, and there are various tests for which we have to identify the hemp. Hemp is used to make a variety of commercial and industrial products, including rope, textile, clothing, shoes, food paper, bioplastic, insulation, and biofuel. The bast fiber can be used to make textile that are 100% hemp, but they are commercially blended with other fibers such as flax, cotton, or silk, as well as virgin and recycled polyesters. The inner two fibers of the plants are wooders and typically having industrial applications such as animal breeding, and later, when oxidized after inorius, referred as dyeing. Hemp oil from the seed becomes solid and can be used manufacture of the oil with paints. In creams, has a moisturizing agent for cooking, and in plastic. Hemp seed have been used in birds feed mix as well. 95% of hemp seeds sold in European was used in animals and birds feeds. So there are various varieties of hemp which is available in the market, and the next one is chemical constitutions of the hemp. So if we have to go under the identification hop, you have to take 0.1 gram of drug with 5 ml of light 60 to 80% and filter. It means that 60 to 80% of water, and add 2 ml of HCl and ethyl alcohol. Then red colorations appear. After red coloration appears and then shaken. After shaking, two layers will be formed. The first layer becomes colorless and the second layer pink color is obtained. After some time, the pink color disappear of water. It means that if the hemp is so a pink color, it means the layer should be a hemp layer. Now its uses in narcotic sedatives. It is also utilized as a narcotic, sedative, analgesic, and also intoxications. So narcotic and sedative action of cannabis should be known. It also produce a hallucinations. It means that when a person should be taken a small amount of hemp, they will be go deep in a sleep, but due to 3 and 4 times. So sometimes it is also produce a hallucinations. So narcotics, sedatives and analgesic intoxication is also be produced by the cannabis plant. So the three topics will be completed in this lecture video. If you have any queries or questions, so students, please first of all you have to watch the video, then send me a questions. I will give you the answer of your questions. And you have any doubt regarding the syllabus, so you are without any hesitations contact to Meena ma'am. Okay, thank you so much.